Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Discord and signing in. This puts you where the server information lives. Once done, go to User Settings and enable Developer Mode only if you need raw ID for advanced tasks. Make sure to choose the correct client. Desktop shows more options than mobile. Now navigate to the server list and select the server whose code you need so you can access the invite or inspect server properties in the next steps. You now locate the actual identifier. If you own or have managed server, open Server Settings and go to Invites. Otherwise, right-click the server icon and choose Invite People to view existing codes. To create a fresh code, generate an invite and set expiration or usage limits. This controls access. If you enabled Developer Mode, right-click the server name and copy ID to get the numerical server ID. This is useful for bot. You finish by sharing the invite link or the invite code exactly as shown, paste it into messages or admin panels, and make sure permissions allow joining. If the code fails, revoke it and generate a new invite with the correct settings. Temporary codes and member limits often cause problems. If problems persist, confirm your role permissions and that the invite hasn't expired. One key troubleshooting tip: regenerate the invite and check channel-specific invite restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.